All right, another unplanned video here, but you know what I thought? I thought, oh my gosh, when students mess up their static routes, they don't know how to get them out of their packet tracer. So they don't know how to get them out of the router configuration. I'm going to show you how to get rid of your static routes so that you can start over, just in case you're at that point with your packet tracer, or maybe you just need to start over in one router. All right, so it's pretty easy. You can go on your router where you want to get rid of the static routes. Now, I'm doing this for another demonstration. My static routes are correct, but you can just do a show run and use the space bar. The space bar, push the space bar, and you're going to page down. See that? Okay, you've used the space bar and you've paged down. We paged down past it, but the routes are right here. You need to plug in each one individually to take it out, but you can copy and paste. You can't use Control C and Control V, but you can use your mouse. So you highlight the route that you want to get rid of, and then you right click on your mouse and you copy it. All right, now go into global config mode. So Conf T, and just right click again and paste. Now, when you do this on an actual router, which you can do this on a router, usually as soon as you right click, the command appears. You don't have to then click paste. Okay, here's our route. Now I'm going to use my arrow keys. Using my arrow keys here, I'm going to arrow back to the very beginning of the command, and I'm going to type in no IP route. The whole command has to be there. So no IP route, enter. Okay, it's going to get rid of that route. I'll show you. So here was our route. It was 192.168.0.0, and we were using exit interface. These were correct, by the way, but I just need to get rid of them. So here you can see all three of them. Now we're going to do show run. We're showing our running configuration again. I'm using the space bar to move down. Look, I got rid of that static route. I'll show you one more time. Take your route, copy the route. I'm in global config. That's great. Right click, paste the route, arrow. Oops, I got rid of it. Paste the route, arrow all the way back to the beginning. I didn't get to the beginning there. Just type in no, enter. Gets rid of the route. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time. I can just scroll up. I can grab this one right here, copy, paste, arrow all the way back to the beginning. Type in no, enter. Do show run. Look at this. No routes left in this routing table. Or, I'm sorry, no routes left in this running config, which is what I wanted. And if we look in the routing table, which we can do that as well, we won't see any of our static routes. We'll only see our directly connected networks. So if you have messed up your router to the point where you just want to get rid of your routes, use that trick that I just showed. It's not really a trick. Just use that method. It's quick, it's easy. You'll be able to get rid of your static routes and redo them. All right, I hope this was helpful for you. If I taught you something and you learned something, then we're winning. I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.